deep now. Wow. Looking at white sea ferns on the seafloor. That's amazing what you can see with these underwater cameras. Hello everyone and welcome to the 21st century. I'm your host, the Doc, the Ghost Net Guy of Washington State, for this upcoming film short on the YouTube. Today, I'm aboard the little boat, the Intense. Now this is a 15-foot twin hull stainless steel stripped bottom to protect the hull in shallow rocky areas when we're removing these derelict nets called ghost nets, gill nets that have been lost in these pilings, and I bring in tribal support and we get them removed. Wow. But today we're studying, I believe, a dead zone. Now I'm not sure I can say that, but look at the picture yourself. We're starting our drift here in about 90 feet of water. As we cruise along, you see that we have a black covering over the seafloor. I cannot tell you for sure what it is. Black algae possibly, red algae, I'm not quite sure, but what stands out to you as you see this? There's no sea life, nothing happening. Now we're in 90 feet of water right now, getting ready to take our first bottom sample. Where do we want to take it? Ah, there we are. Now we're coming up into a little darker, blacker area. Let's pull in right now and bring the camera down. Now we have a shovel on this camera that allows us to pick up whatever we want in a sample off of the substrate. Ah, and we have a nylon stocking to grab it so nothing escapes. So now we're getting this sample, and you notice too how the seafloor itself has just started to get darker and darker. Wow. I don't know what's causing that, but it can't be good. So let's drift a little deeper now. Let's start getting off of the shelf at 200 and drifting out into the 420-foot bottom depth, just to give you a look of what's out here. It's amazing, isn't it? Until next time, everyone, this is the Doc reminding you, be safe out on the water, and always